Now, y'all remember that bathtub installation video I uploaded a few weeks back? There's the tub with some bifold doors in it. Finally got the new flooring down. Now we're going to be installing the brand new vanity, the sink, the toilet, and all that fun stuff. Get us a half moon flange hooked in here. Set our wax ring down. Then we can unbox the American Standard here. And we got a tank here. Gonna flip it over. Lock it in. There we go. Line it up, set it down. We got our fasteners in the holes here. The trick is you got to take your hand and put it inside the tank, push down on it, reach up and under with your other hand, put the nuts on it and tighten it up. Using a ratchet might get a little bit shady, so you always get yourself a nut driver like this one from Southwire. Make it easy peasy. So you need to kind of tighten them like you do the lug nuts in your car. Tighten this side, then that side, this side, that side, this side, that side. A little bit here and there, and it'll pull it down nice and tight. Don't over torque it. That's why you don't use a ratchet, because you will crack the tank. Generally, getting yourself a big long screwdriver like this and right here, big flat tip on it, you can put that down there to hold them bolts. But when they're brand new, it's kind of unnecessary. You'll get them plenty tightened up with the nice new seals as long as you push down on it and tighten it with your nut driver. As long as it ain't leaking whenever it fills up with water, you're in A-OK shape. And of course, it shouldn't jiggle or move in it. Lift the whole thing up, set it in place over top of your bolts. Push down on it so it'll start smooshing that wax ring out. Nice and lined up right. Add the washer and the bolts. You do the same thing with your nut driver if you broke the right size. You can get you a pair of pliers and then just get it nice and tight. Don't go too tight. You're not tightening down your lug nuts. Nice and snug on each side and you'll be in good shape. Tell you what, these new Kobalt quick adjust pliers, these things are comfortable. Nice and smooth functioning. Yeah, definitely testing them out. That review will be coming up soon. Now we will install our supply line. We'll make sure we get water in it, test it for leaks and all that before we finish it up and caulk it. Make sure the flush valve's nice and tight. Now we're gonna get a bottom of the supply line. Time to fill her up. Ain't no leaks down here so far. Filling up nice. Our floater adjusted just where we wanted it right here. It's gotta go down a little bit. Test it for leaks. All around it right here. All around the sides of it. Make sure the wax ring ain't leaking. Now we can finish it up. Now she's complete. Up next, we'll install the new vanity sink. Get yourself who wants to learn something, pop that clutch, subscribe.